Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes. This is great for appetizers or just to have a nice snack around. It is cheese stuffed bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers. I love spicy food, and anytime you can combine bacon with it, you know it's going to be good. So what I am doing here is I am just cutting my jalapenos in half, and I'm scooping out the seeds and the ribs that are inside the jalapenos. That is where a lot of the heat is packed, so you definitely want to get rid of that stuff. If you are really sensitive to heat, you might want to wear some gloves while you do this. If not, just make sure you wash your hands really well and don't touch your face, your eyes, or your nose or anything like that, because it will burn. So just keep that in mind when you are chopping jalapeno peppers or any other kind of spicy pepper. Now we're going to make the cheese mixture that we're going to put inside of our jalapenos. So what you're going to do is start with 8 ounces of cream cheese that's already been softened to room temp. You want it to be nice and soft so that way you can stir it and mix it up with all of the other yummy goodies that I'm going to add. Now you're going to throw in about half a cup or so of shredded cheese. I used Mexican blend, just cheddar would work really well for this too. I added a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add in some onion powder. You could use garlic powder if you don't have onion powder. I would say about a teaspoon or so of that to taste, and then you're going to mix it up really, really well. And now you're just going to stuff the jalapeno peppers with the cheese. Easy as that. So since I have 10 jalapeno peppers, I am going to take 10 slices of bacon and cut them in half, and then just wrap each half slice around the jalapeno peppers. I'm using toothpicks to secure the bacon to the jalapeno. You want to make sure that you don't shove it in all the way to the bottom of the pepper like I did there. You want to have it up towards the side a little bit more so that way it will lay flat on your baking sheet. Once you get that finished, you are going to bake the peppers in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes or so, and then I set mine to broil for about 2 minutes to get the bacon nice and crisp, and then it is all done. Remove the peppers from your tray and let them cool and drain, and it is so, so yummy. I love, love, love this snack. Some of the peppers have more spice than the others, but it is just so, so good. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also see this full recipe at simplelivingmama.com. Bye!